if it isn't my favourite fellow himself. Ah! Oh, goodness! That thing on your face is even worse than I remember. Mr. Dekarios, if you have to ask, there's no hope for you at all. Please tell me you've at least made inroads when it comes to finding someone to settle down with. Myself and Mrs. Dekarios are starting to think you intend to die alone.
Something the matter?
There's no story. None that you're entitled to hear, anyway. Just forget you ever saw it.
Dry skin, clear eyes. You do not suffer. You flourish. Disturbing.
Packed too tight. I'll need a shovel.
Well, if it isn't my favourite fellow himself. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Quite nice. That's it. No one manages the nuances quite like you.